Hi everyone, I would like to introduce the video how to do assignment 4 with how to view the column in the front of this house. I insert the picture, the floor plan and elevation, introduce you how to do it. As the assignment 4 required, we have to view the 4 base column with the 2 column on the top base column, and then we need to finish this with the ground mounting around the base of the top of the base of the column and the top, the high column. I did not some tool you can apply for each part the model you want to view. Example, if you want to view the base column with the parameter like this, you can use the plan tool in model in place, and after that you can finish the top of the base column with the sweep tool, and the high column on the base column you can use the plan tool and apply the sweep again to finish the top of the high column, and then the round you can use the extrusion to view the same the right is the image show it. Okay, how to do it I can introduce to you. Okay, last week they introduced you the model in place with the file tool to view the model, and now you can apply them for this assignment. Okay, now we have the 4 base column. After this scale, this picture, I'll find out the dimension for each base column base with the dimension around 2 feet 7 inches. You can use this, or you can measure yourself in the floor plan you did last assignment. Okay, example for me with my picture, after this after scaling I used the 2 feet 7 inches for the square column base. Okay, and now we start to do it with the base column base like this one, and then go to the architecture, looking for the component and click on model in place, click any category you want. You can select the caseboard if you don't know what is the category belong to, and then you can change it later. Okay, example, I can choose the caseboard, click OK, and then you can name it, or you can keep this one. I can change it later. Now I can keep it and continue working on this one. Okay, and this one, they show the tool. Like I told you, the base you can use the plan tool, and use this one. And this tool define 2 profile, base and top. Firstly, we do the base. This column placed on the ground floor at the level 1. You can keep a level 1 choice, or check it by set working on level 1. Okay, you can keep it, and then now you can draw it, because I did prepare the line to build this column, and you can use this one, pick line, and pick each line you want. Okay, zoom in, you can see. Okay, we have the one, and then now we did just finish the base column. Now we continue working on the top profile. Click edit. Okay, and then can see it by working with the view. Okay, now we need to change the working plane from the level 1 to the top of the base. I did define the height of the base column around the 3 feet high. I show you on the elevation. I prepared this one. If not yet to do the reference, you have to to have to build now. Okay, then this one, sorry, click here. You can use the reference and start to run the reference and name it. Example, if we name it the rep 01, you remember this one. For select, if you after you can when you set the plan. Okay, set plan now. I can you send it and sometimes it's not sure. I don't know why. Okay, I move to this one. I see. Still not sure on this one. I don't know. Maybe before we need to. And I think we should prepare level 1 before we do it. Maybe it's better. Now this is the frozen. Okay, I do this one to do again. Okay, I'm sorry. Just need to open that. Okay, maybe it's something wrong. Okay, and cancel and start again. Okay, I think the first thing you should prepare the reference first is better. Okay, for the in place and the casework for again to do, name it, and before you use this one and this. Okay, and it's not sure. So this for is the frozen again. It's still reference still I don't know why. Okay, still okay, to this one I think we start to the reference. We start to prepare the reference firstly. I don't know, they're not sure when you're working during working on the model in place, but now I think we should prepare first before we working on model in place. Okay, use cable, continue like that, and sure we have the set plan appear here. Yeah, now it's appearing this one. Okay, later. Now we start to working the back to the level 1 and you use the plan. Okay, and working on the base. The base first by use this one for 1, 2, this side and this one, and now working on this one for the set working and with the reference. Now it's shown this one. Okay, now we have the working on the top. Okay, the base. Okay, I did the top, the base column right here. Okay, hit OK. Now hit OK. Now we have the base column. Okay, you see the view. You can see now we have the base column like this. Okay, on the top line we have the model for the okay, the top side depend you want. Now I use this one around 3 feet. You can use the 3 inches or 3 inches, 3.5 inches or 4 inches. I think the 4 inches is smaller. Small. I think the 3.5 inches look better. Okay, they look like the picture. Okay. Now, so we have the face, the top of the column, the base column, and now the same way. If you want to view this column from the base top to the top, this level is 9 feet from the ground floor. Okay, now continue working with the sweep tool to build the brown mountain for the base column. How to do it? To the view, it look get easy. And now last week I not yet introduced this tool by when you setting the face before you working on. Okay, you set this one. You can use continue working with the reference one, or you can pick the plan option, and then you see you can pick plan. You can see the plan you're working on this one. Okay. Now the plan stay on this one. Change to continue working on this one. If you want to check it by sure the start working on this one. And now continue working with continue working in the casework one, this model, and then you click and you edit in place, and you see we continue working on this one with another tool like sweep. Okay, you see, and like last week I introduced how to do the sweep for the profile run along the path. Like the first thing you see or the path. Now I have the line. Okay, it means you can just pick line and click. Okay, but you see this one is still maybe not okay. I'm not sure they stay on this level. We're working maybe it's still working on because it's 3D view. Okay, we try. If not, we can change it the working plan if we get wrong. Okay, we got wrong. Okay, now you can for the profile of the molding. Like this one, the molding, the raw molding of the base column. Example like that. Okay. You can draw yourself, design yourself, or design yourself. Okay. Give straight, and I think the one foot is small.
Did they test your stuff as well?
What? already we wrote a profile on this one, then so we try to do example to do it. Okay. I think that it's not. Oh, sorry. Okay, after bath, we need to finish the bath thing, and then you edit raw form. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you can draw the profile you want to. Okay, and like that. Okay, like this one, and finish this. Okay, and after that you can. Now I think even you did choose the working plan on this one is not correct. Is not select correctly, and then you can select that and edit edit web or edit working plan with edit working plan, and just select one and change to the rep one. Hit OK. Now I think when we draw this one to check to the south side, I think this is not correctly for the top this column, because we need not choose the correctly the reference one. Click OK. Now we can edit working plan for this one. Edit working plan for the edit tab. Edit tab with the not one. Some wrong for choose the rep one. I don't know why. Okay, like this. Okay, again I introduce you continue working on this one carefully to choose the rep line when you're working. Example, now we start to roll with the smaller okay, I mean, we hide them for see the line, and they prepare. We can use this one. Let's see, we do the top column, follow this line and they prepare before we start to build the model. Okay, now okay, on the elevation, this one the rep line, we start to build the top column with the base at the rep 1. Okay, and the top match the level 2. Okay, and now back to the level 1. You can see the base on the top of the base column. Okay, and then we start to if we do the separate, you can click the module based on column base you want working on that, and if not you can build a new one. Okay, this one and module in place, and use the case work, and now get to automatically the name, different name, and then we set to we start to working and rep 1 for the base of the top column. That's right, and hit OK. Now we working on with the plan for to view the base like that. That's right, hit OK. And then the top we working at the level 2. That's right, level 2. Okay, hit OK. Now the top we do wet the top here. Okay, now we finish this one. Sure, let's see. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we have the column, top column and base column, and with the wrap molding or belong to the base column. Okay, the same way we can working on the ground molding for the high column. Okay, on the top column you can do like the same way. You can click OK, and then we edit, play. Now we working the same same case work 2 with working on the round molding by. Okay, we need to change this case work the same round molding on the base column. We change the working plan to the top of the high column by prepare the at the level 2. Okay, set working plan at we choose the level 2, and then hit OK. Now maybe the level 2 they define okay, we need to check when the level 2 is just low south side. Okay, I don't know why we need to define this one. Maybe we'll be working on this one. We have the okay, now we move the top lower this one, and then we working level 2 for the round molding. Okay, the same way we create. Okay, we sure we working on the level 2 showing that. Okay, working on this one, and now we start to use the sweep by the scat around big line. Okay, and after complete the big line, the path. Okay, click OK and start to roll the profile, edit profile, and start to roll the brow we want like that. Okay, hit OK. Now we have the brow. If it's too small, we can change it and edit sweep. Okay, and continue working on profile. Okay, edit, click on profile. We did before, edit profile. Now I want to make a different with the bigger. Okay, like this, because we zoom in small, too small, and then you cannot see, cannot imagine the dimension. But now we can follow the number. You can see how high, what the dimension. You can control it, any profile you want. Okay, if you want more detail, you can draw with and use have the top balloon look better like that. Okay, and then hit OK. Now you can did complete that column like image we have. Then add it here, and after that you can, if we didn't constrain with anything, you can move, you can copy. Sometimes if you constrain with some another object, you cannot move it. Okay, in this case you can do it. Okay, like this. And the base, the view, you can copy and move. And just this one, if you want to select two, you select that and move together. Okay. Just select all, and then we come back to and you have to copy on that with the floor plan you have. Okay, you can, and the model, house model you did to build, and you can adjust that through after to copy, and then go to the south side. You can see your house and use this one and move. Okay, the left side you want. Okay, left side or right side you want to correct it to fix with your elevation model. Understand? And back to the floor plan. You see the picture. If you want to build this round, and you can use this tool by extrusion. Why do you use the extrusion? Because you see, if we build this flat, you can use the extrusion by symbol, by select the working plane on this face and use the extrusion this way. But you see the profile here is more complicated because they have the two part, and for me you can use the reference, follow this way, okay, this face, and then after that you roll the profile and make the extrusion in this way. But this one, the face has an angle, not straight. I think you should have the straight, the reference on this way before you do the extrusion on this face, like the wrap plan. You're working on that, and you create the profile exactly like the picture and make the extrusion, and after that you adjust the length of the rounding the two column. Okay, how to do it. Like this one, you see this face. If I open the base column, okay, by this by an high element. Okay, now we have the full the above column, and then you shoot the reference by here. Okay, and click name is the wrap 2. Okay, and then now we will working on the reference 2. Start to roll the profile here and make extrusion this way. Okay, and then after that you adjust the length of the rounding depending you want to make to the above column I told you. Okay, now we need to set the wrap, working on the reference 2 by the reference set, use the reference 2. Okay, they will ask you about the which way with the view. You want to see the left side or right side. In case they ask you about the east side this way, and west side this side. Okay, I think the east side, open it. Now we have to working on that, and if you want to imagine the working plan, where is it? I can show it. Okay, because I have the two columns make you confused. I'll go back to this one. I will delete one for another one. Okay, because I don't want. Okay, you just see I click on the image and I want to select the column, but I get a mistake. Okay, because I move the picture. I Control C to redo, and then I don't want to touch the image, because the face when I click on this image, they think I want to move it. But avoid that. You can see that this side select element by face. I don't want element by face. Okay, and no, not here, but I click here, and then I pin that. Okay, I pin this image. It means I cannot move. Okay, however, if you choose this one, it's still complete that. Okay, but sorry, I want to choose the two column. They avoid to move in an element you do working on. You can use the pin like that. I just showed you. And in this case, the simple way you can select this one and control. Okay, control is mean in Revit the different AutoCAD. If you want to select above or more two element, use the shift, but in the Revit use the control button. Okay, even the two part of and well. Okay, and then select it. Delete. Let's do that. Avoid this one. No, I didn't select element. Click here. That's why. Yeah, I just pin this one. We can change the pick option by select option by select by face. We don't use that. Select by pin element. We just remove it. Okay, turn off it, and then now we don't touch the image after we pin the image. Okay, we delete that. Okay, and to the this face, this model. Now move to the select working plan reference 2. Hit OK and select the east side open view. Now we have just one. Okay, look at the picture. We see the wire is around under ground mounted a little bit. We have the top like the right profile, T profile, and there's the regular profile, maybe 1 or 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4 maybe. Okay, back to set. Okay, again I want to see the now we prepare something before you roll the railing like this. Okay, and then now we have the T side like this. Okay, and we can put the numbers for exactly it's better. Okay, and then like big like we have the 12 inches, too big. to change the line before use. So okay, and then change the center. Is the line, the big line. Maybe bigger 2 inches, okay, like that, and we can cut it. Okay, I cut it. You can cut it for and we can copy this one to for you can choose the proportion after you refer the picture. Just quickly to the how to roll the railing, but the proportion you can refer the picture if you want, okay, and correct it, okay, like this for prepare the profile you want. Okay, now we start to because I need to I just set the wrap to, okay, check again the wrap to, okay, and then you start to roll the component and model in play with the KS3 maybe. Okay, it's okay, and then we start to roll extrusion. Okay, and we start to roll because I have the prepare. We did prepare the line. We can use the big line for save time to quickly to roll the line. Okay, like this. Okay, or together you can. Okay, now we have the extrusion with the profile like this. This is the 3 part belong to the one model. The extrusion is okay. Now we can see the view for like, okay, the round look like this one. Okay, and see. We can adjust, if we have the 2 columns, you can just adjust the length of the round, and they move inside the, okay, inside the column base. You can see, okay, you can see the base column with cut the rounding like this. Okay, now this assignment for you try to plastic and try to complete this the model like this. Okay, and after that you can see on the elevation you get the column, the railing of this house like this. Okay, you try to do it. when you're working on this one, I do something make you confused for select the rep length. The rep length sometimes it's not exactly on the rep line. Why I don't know why. I need to fix this later. If you want to select like the label 2, we did name like that, and the rep line had to work exactly on the label 2. And this one, if we did define the rep 1, and when we select that, we have to working on exactly on this way. During working on the not working correctly,